3 minutes is all it takes to get the best OBS settings for your Twitch live stream. I'll show both a simple way to do this and the more advanced way to do this. And we start with a simple way. I'm going to hit profile at the top, hit new, and I'm going to type in Twitch profile or just Twitch, something like that. Crucially, show the auto config wizard. Optimize it for streaming, recording is secondary, 1920 by 1080 canvas and 60 FPS. I highly recommend connecting your Twitch account. Because I'm just doing a quick tutorial here, I'm just going to click on use stream key. Either way, you'll then have this page here. Make sure prefer hardware encoding is checked and uncheck estimate bitrate. And inside the bitrate box, I'm going to set my bitrate to 6000. I'm then going to press next, and there we go. We've got some good settings already. Press apply and you're ready to start your stream. However, many people do want to know about the more advanced settings, so let's dive into those now. We're focused on streaming, and that is actually on the output page. I changed the output mode to advanced. And I start by changing the video encoder to NVIDIA H.264. The rate control is fine, but the bitrate does have to go back up to 6000. Our keyframe interval is 2, and preset slightly depends on how good your computer is. What I would say is lower end PCs P5, mid-range P6, higher end P7. You never want P1, P2, P3 or P4, so I'll set mine to P6. Tuning is high quality, multipass mode is full resolution if you've got a decent PC, or a lower end PC, just go down to quarter. Profile high, uncheck, look ahead, check, PVT, and the final two options are also good. Click on the video page, double check you're on 60 FPS with the output scaled resolution on 1920 by 1080, and you now have great settings for your Twitch stream. After subscribing, watch this video next for a super easy way to clip things inside OBS.